Hello learners, today we will study grammar chapter number 11, past tense. Past tense. The past tense is used to express an action that has been completed. Simple past tense is used to express a past habit. I went to bed early when I was in school. Okay, it is a past habit. To express an action that was completed before the time of speaking. The dancers performed well. Okay, already completed before the time of speaking. To express an action that took place over a period of time in the past. I worked in a school for 2000 to 2002. I worked in a school from 2000 to 2002. It is an action that took place over a period of time in the past. To narrate a story. Whenever you are narrating any story, you have to use simple past tense. Form of simple past tense. With I have to use I ate, we ate. Always second form, past tense we have to use ate. Eat, second form is ate. You, if you are using did not, then you have to write eat. Okay, we did not, you have to write eat. If you are writing I ate, we ate, you ate, but when you use did, then you have to write you did not eat. Okay, in question sentence, did I eat, did we eat, did you eat, did she eat. Okay, we have to use did to make interrogative sentence in simple past tense. Now fill in the blanks with the simple past tense form of verb given in bracket. First one, I not leave for the station at 8 o'clock last night. Then you have not is there, so we have to use I did not. Simple past tense. Do, second form is verb, second form is did. So here you have to use did. I did not live. Okay, because you are writing here did, so write leave. Okay, don't write left. Okay, you have to write leave. Reena ate. Reena ate rice. Okay, eat, second form ate. The security guard alerted. You probably fell ill. Fall, second form fell. Now second question is fill in the blanks with verbs in the simple past tense. First one is given like, second form liked. Have, past tense, what will come? Had. Now come, past tense, came. See, what will come? Saw. Cross, crossed. Slip, slipped. Very easy for you also. Write fast. Fell. Run, ran. Help, helped. Easy, you can do your own. The lady thanked. You have to write past form of these verb. Okay, gift, gifted. Okay, completed beta. Now next one, read the following passage and fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in brackets in the simple past tense. Okay, first one is hold. Hold, past tense. Held. Okay, be. In past tense, be form of past tense is was and were. Here the event was. Next one, gain. Gain, past form gained. Okay, win, past form won. Win, won. Be in past form was and were. Narang. Here what will come? Gagan narang was. It was. Okay, completed. Okay, next is past continuous tense. Like in present continuous tense, we are using is, are and am. Okay, with I we are using am, with he, she, it we are using is, and you, we, you, they we are using are. But in past continuous tense we have to use with I, was, he, she, it, was. Okay, I, he, she, it we have to use was, and we, you, they we have to use were. Okay, and always verb first form plus ing. Like I was eating, eat plus ing, eating. He was eating. Okay, we were eating, you were eating, they were eating. Okay, understand? When we have to use past continuous tense, okay, to express an action going on at some time in the past, to express an action that was a habit in the past, it to indicate an action which had started at some time but had not ended at the time when some other action took place. Okay, first one example is she was knitting all evening on Sunday. The chef was always preparing delicious food for his clients before the restaurant closed down. The lady was coughing when I entered the room. Okay, for this situation we have to use past continuous tense. Now you have to fill these blanks with the help of past continuous tense. Okay, Samir went to watch football match. In football match he narrated the details to his mother later. Use past continuous tense form of the verb given in brackets. So first one, the players, you have to use past continuous tense. Then players, plural, with plural we have to use verb. The players were playing. Okay, same. Next one, they were hitting. They were hit plus ing, hitting. They were hitting. Okay, the ball and were passing. They were hitting and passing it to other members of their team. Completed. Next one, goalkeepers. Goalkeepers were guarding the goal in the best possible way. Written here, were passing. Next one, both the team were trying. Goalkeepers were guarding the goal in the best possible way. The spectators were shouting with excitement. Both the teams were running all over the football ground. Understand? You have to use ing form, verb first form plus ing, and was and were. Okay, if it is singular then you have to use was, and for plural you have to use were. Now fill in the blanks with verbs in the past continuous tense. First one, walk is given here. With you have to use were. You were walking. Okay, ing form you have to use walking. I am doing only first one. Okay, Mr. Mehra, watch is there, then Mr. Mehra was watching. What will come? Was watching. Was watching. Third one, were you drinking? Were, make question, were you drinking? Okay, he was solving. He was, solve plus ing, solving. Okay, complete. Next, past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action that was completed before another action took place. Like the girl had slept before grandma returned from the market. Okay, when we have to use to describe an action that has completed before another action took place. Okay, in this situation you have to use past perfect tense. As the past form of the present perfect, especially in indirect speech, like Rita said, I have prepared pudding. Rita said that she had prepared pudding. Okay, to report a completed action in the past, Ajay told me that he had won a prize. Report a completed action in the past. Okay, for in these all situation we have to use past perfect tense. Form of the past perfect tense, with I we have to use I had, we had, I had, and verb always third form. In past perfect tense you have to use third form of verb, like speak, third form is spoken, and I had spoken. Okay, we had spoken, you had spoken. You have to use only had. Okay, in this you have to use past perfect tense, you have to use had and verb third form. Okay, now next question is Diya, you have to complete these blanks with the help of past perfect tense. Okay, Diya had, give third form given, Diya had given. Okay, Vinay had blown, Vinay had blown. I had spoken. Very easy, students. The explorers had discovered. The explorers had discovered. Okay, completed. Next one, past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense, to show an action that had been going on before another past action. Example, the girl had been trying to make the model of a volcano before the teacher helped her. Okay, it show an action that had been going on before another past action. Before another past action, first action is going on. The girl had been trying to make the model of a volcano before the teacher helped her. To show an action that was recently completed, Tendulkar had been playing for 2 hours before he was run out. Okay, the form of past perfect continuous tense, you have to use had been, verb first form plus ing. Okay, like I had been speaking. Okay, I had been speaking, you had been speaking, he had been speaking, they had been speaking. Okay, for making interrogative sentence you have to use had I been speaking, had we been speaking. Okay, in this way you have to make sentence. Had you been playing in the ground before it started raining? He had not been, for a negative sentence, he had not been keeping well since a year. She had been meeting all the people. Had he been, for interrogative, first had will come, then subject, had he been arranging. In this way you have to make sentences. Okay, next one, rewrite the following sentences in the past perfect continuous tense. You may use the phrases for a month, for 2 hours, for 3 days with them. The first one has been done for you. The army was parading the streets. The army had been parading the streets for 3 days. Second one, the police are is given. Okay, in place of are, what you have to write? Had been. What you have to write? Had been. Okay, the police had been investigating the murder case. The old lady was cut was, and write here the old lady had been coughing. He was writing, cut was, and write here had been. Very easy, student. Had been. Okay, he had been writing a novel. Now used to is often used with verb forms in the past tense to suggest that some action happened for a particular period in the past but stopped later. Like, she used to bake delicious cake in those days. Okay, she used to bake delicious cake in those days. Okay, talking about period in the past but now stopped. He used to drive down to office earlier. For positive statement, I used to exercise every day earlier. She used to live in this house long back. Negative, she never used to go to the gym. He never used to watch cricket matches. For interrogative, did he used to? Okay, for interrogative sentence you have to write, did he used to eating porridge every morning? Okay, now you have to remember these. Simple past tense, affirmative, he wrote. Okay, negative, he did not write. Here for affirmative, wrote past tense, right past tense, wrote used. Okay, and negative you have to use did not and write first form. Okay, don't write wrote. He did not write. For interrogative, did he write? Past continuous tense, affirmative sentence, he was writing. Negative, he was not writing. And interrogative, was he writing? Okay, past perfect tense, for affirmative, he had written. Okay, you have to use had and verb third form. Negative, he had not written. Interrogative, had he written? Past perfect continuous tense, affirmative, had been. You have to use had been and verb first form plus ing. He had been writing. For negative, he had not been writing. Interrogative, has he been writing? Understand? Remember these points. Now, difference between simple past and present perfect. Okay, simple past, example, we use the simple past tense to express an action which took place at some moment in the past and is not linked with the present. Example, I bought a mobile last month. Okay, in simple past, I bought a mobile last month. It is took place at some moment in the past and is not linked with the present now. Okay, if a part of the action is linked with the present, then we have to use, we express it in the present perfect tense. Okay, like I have bought a new mobile. It is linked with the present. In that situation, we have to use present perfect. I have bought a new mobile. Okay, remember, simple past, these are certain time expressions that indicate the difference. In simple past, we are using yesterday, a month ago, on Sunday, in the morning. For simple past tense, we are using these words. And present perfect, we are using already, yet, just, so far, since. These words we are using in present perfect tense. Next question is, read the following sentences and state the tense forms of the underlined verb. Here, was feeling. Okay, was feeling. You have to write the name of the tense form. Was feeling is past continuous. What is past continuous? Okay, I am Second one, Samir was reminded. Was reminded. Okay, it is simple past tense. Simple past. Okay, student, this sentence is written in passive form. Okay, the little girl had been singing. Had been singing is past perfect continuous. What is past perfect continuous. Complete it. Okay. Next one, the spider had been trying. This one also past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. I forgot Newton's law. This one is simple past. Simple past. Now read the following sequence of event and fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs in various form of past tense as mentioned in bracket. Okay, here in bracket given. Next question is, read the following sentences and rewrite them is required. First one is negative sentence. Okay, you have to make it negative. Then children were writing articles for the school magazine yesterday. Now you have to write children were not. Okay, easily you can make it negative. Children were not writing articles for the school magazine yesterday. Second one also negative and